everyone. This is May De Los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Hello guys. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Look at. Say hello. Hi, Mrs. Dad. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy! Happy New Year. Happy New Year! Hello, Auntie Mary. Happy New Year. Hello, Auntie Mary. Happy New Year. Love you all. Love you all. Where are you at? Sigula. Hi. Nanaog na ta. Mia. Go. So guys, we are in the top. So we just go back down. If you have a scenery like that, you need to be thankful for what do you have. Don't be so hard. So I walk slowly because it's slippery. So every time I come here in Bindo, I will come in the top. So ang allergy guys. Go. Ang allergy atiman na. So, unsay tawag ninyo ana sa inyo ha? Kana tawag ana sa mua kay buli. Rice. Buli ni buli. Rice. What's that? That's a rice. That's a corn. Corn rice. Kana siya dira kay umana nila ni tatay. So nakapalibot jud ang bukid. Muna siya town. Up. Muna siya balay ni Dodong ko. No, it's mama. Ha? Look at this. Down and then go around and then right. So you have a good scenery here if you come here. You will enjoy the nature. So what I did? 2025! Happy New Year. Happy New Year! Thank you so much 2024 for give me a lot of what you call that? A lot of challenge of my life. But now I'm here. 2025 I will said welcome to my life and goodbye to 2024. Thank you for everything that I learned too much about the friendship and the fake friendship and the user friendship. So for this 2025 I will forget everything and I will move on my life. If someone always talking about me, I will said thank you. I have enough not to answer you. and I will move on my life because you are not part of my family and my relatives. You are not.
And your
So
and
I'm not your friend no more, and you cannot go back to my life no more because I already done. So 2025, I hope you are a blessing to me and my family and my kids, especially my kids. So my wish is to have a good health, happy life, even simple, and more friends to come, and more happiness, and more travel. So thank you so much to my friend to YouTube that who just make me strong, like Madam Ruby, Sis Nancy,
80,
and
80.
Habi Iti, and Sir Big E, and Arcelia. Madam Yads, this is for you, Madam Yads. Enjoy the scenery. So, Madam Yads, then oh, Sis Timmy, Sis Main, and happy birthday to our Jimmy baby. So, Sir Jimmy, happy birthday. So, I wish you a good health and more love from it, Sis May. So, Sis SKA, thank you so much. Dam Ruby, thank you for everything. Thank you for accepting my sorry and be a real friend of me. Sir Big E, Sis Arcelia, and family.
You're not thankful for who?
I'm thankful for my partner, and I'm thankful to my daughter and my son and my youngest daughter.
Me?
And I'm thankful to my second family.
How about me?
I'm thankful of you. And I'm thankful to my second family that always invite me
That one.
here in Bindoy. For better and for worse, for rain,
But who
For-
do you hate?
for rain and typhoon.
And happiness. And happiness.
So I don't have hate no more. I already get out the hate. So I enjoy my life. So if somebody hate me, go ahead, make a choice. Make your life better more. So Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you 2025, and I will welcome you with all my happiness and love. Bye bye everyone, and thank you for watching my video. Today is January 1, 2025. Time check 12:35. Bye. Hi. Hello. How are you doing? Ayaw saba. Sana all pinangga oh. Hi. Mura na siya nabili na. Go inside na. Hi. Wow. Hi guys. So thank thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Joquera. So enjoy your life, guys, with your family, and I will say bye bye. See you.